A man bought a car for 1.5 million cedis. He later sold it at a profit of 20%. What is the selling price? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The man bought the car for 1.5 million cedis. So it means that this is the cost price of the car. And he later sold it at a profit of 20%. So the profit percent is 20. What is the selling price? We are going to use this information to find the selling price. Profit percent is equal to selling price minus cost price divided by cost price times 100. We have the profit percent as 20 and the cost price as 1.5 million. So we can substitute it here to find the selling price. We are going to have 20 is equal to the selling price minus the cost price, which is 1.5 million cedis, divided by the cost price, which is 1.5 million cedis, times 100. We have a linear equation here, so we have to solve this linear equation for the selling price. I'll multiply the left hand side by 1 divided by 100 and multiply the right hand side also by 1 divided by 100. When I do that, you can see that 100 and 100 will cancel each other out. 1 divided by 100 times 20 will give us 0.2. So we have 0.2 is equal to the selling price minus 1.5 million divided by 1.5 million. I'll multiply the left hand side by 1.5 million and the right hand side by 1.5 million. 1.5 million and 1.5 million will cancel each other out. 1.5 million times 0.2 will give us 300,000. So you have 300,000 cedis is equal to the selling price minus 1.5 million. And so the selling price will be equal to 300,000 cedis plus 1.5 million. And this will give us 1.8 million cedis. So it means that the selling price of the car was 1.8 million cedis. When we look through the options, you can see that the correct option is C.